Friends, this is your science class and today we are going to start revision of the model test paper 3rd. So dear students, you have to do this model test paper in your notebook. So the first question is state true and false. We should crowd around a faint person. Is it right? This is wrong. False. We should not crowd around a faint person. A force can change the direction of motion of an object. Yes, it's true. Because whenever force any object is coming and we will put obstacle between the object, then its direction will change. The energy possessed by an atom is called the nuclear energy. False. States of matter are interchangeable. True. Means solid can be changed into liquid and liquid can be changed into solid, and liquid can also be changed into vapor form, gaseous form, and gaseous form can be changed into liquid form. Define one word. The immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor, that is first aid. Force that opposes the motion of a body, that is frictional force, that is provided by the two surface of two body or object. The source of energy used by a moving sailboat, that is wind energy. A simple machine in the form of slope used to move heavy objects to a higher or lower place, that is inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine by which we can move heavy objects to higher place or lower place. The amount of space occupied by matter, that is volume. Next is match the following column A and B. Itching due to insect bite, that is calamine lotion. Force applied to lift a heavy object, that is muscular force. The ultimate source of energy on the earth, that is sun. Gaseous form of water, that is steam. Unscramble the following words with the help of clues given below. The solid that dissolves in water, that is solute. The thing that we dissolve in water, that is known as solute. The most common kind of accident homes, that is falls. The force by which every object falls down, that is gravity. This is the force that attract anything towards the surface of the earth. An example of which, that is knife. And solve the following crisscross with the help of clues. First, that is caused by faulty or inadequate electrical wiring, that is fire. A solid object, that is brick. An important source of hydroelectricity, that is water. Space occupied by an object, that is volume. It opposes the motion, that is friction. A rigid bar fixed at one point used to lift weights, that is lever. So my dear students, you have to do this model test paper in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.